Hey guys! In this video, I'll show you how to avoid the ridge at the edge of your nail with a few tips and tricks. Let's go! Start by applying the base coat to 3/4 of your nail and then dip it into the base powder. Remove the excess dust with a brush. Now apply a second layer of base coat, leaving about 1 mm of space at the nail's edge. Dip the nail into the color powder of your choice. Now, gently push back the cuticles with a wooden stick and apply a third layer of base coat as close to the nail edge as possible. Then dip it into the powder. Be careful not to paint over the cuticles, as this can cause lifting in those areas. You can easily remove any residue on your skin with a wooden stick. Next, apply the activator and let it dry for 2 minutes. Seal your nails with 2 layers of top coat and then leave some space at the nail edge for the first coat and fully seal the nail with the second coat. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.